Hi, I'm Sue Kreitz and welcome to the 31 Days of Qigong. Today I want to talk to you about your Qigong practice. It doesn't have to look like what I've been showing you. You don't have to look at the calendar that I gave you. I want you to come up with your own practice. And the samples I gave you were just to show you ideas of how you could actually integrate Qigong into your life. It does not have to be 30 minutes a day. 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your mood and how your energy is flowing in your body. When we get stuck in negative emotions for a period of time, that's when blockages form. Again, it's like a log falling across a stream. And blockages cause symptoms in our physical bodies. So we might have hip pain or knee pain or a headache. And those are actually the result of, 99% of the time, our emotions. So all the emotions are important. It's important that we have fear and anger and worry and anxiety and grief and sadness. Those are all very important emotions and they're essential to our survival. But it's when we get stuck in one of those emotions for too long, we will get a blockage. Guaranteed. That's just the way energy works. So by focusing on positive emotions, we can actually help prevent ourselves from getting stuck. But practicing Qigong is even more powerful because not only are we helping our emotions, but we're actually cultivating Qi in our body and encouraging and facilitating energy to flow through all our energy channels. And when energy flows smoothly, then we have more vitality, we have fewer symptoms, we're less likely to get sick, and we feel good. And that's really what I want for you, is to feel good every day. So join me on this journey, and if you feel that you want to do one exercise one day and not anything I've suggested, do it. But 5 to 10 minutes a day can make the world of a difference in how you're feeling 90% of the time. And I encourage you to explore the option of a longer practice once a week. If you have maybe 30 minutes on a Saturday or Sunday, explore and play with what it feels like to have a longer practice. See how you feel before and after, the next day, 2 days later. I really encourage you to play with this practice, have fun, and enjoy it. But know that it's so simple, but you are doing so much to help yourself on so many levels. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening. I'm just going to show you my scene here. Sometimes I do that. I don't know if you can see my horses. There. Just enjoying some hay on this beautiful winter sunny day in Alberta, Canada. Okay, take care. Much love to you. Bye-bye.